Hey guys, today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacers for Land Rover Defender. What do wheel spacers do?
By pushing the wheels away from the vehicle hub, Land Rover Defender wheel spacers increase the track width. As the track width increases, the handling of curves and swerving and the resistance to rollover improves. This also prevents bigger tires from bumping any suspension parts. Forged Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are significantly lighter and stronger than cast ones. There are forged 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum BONOSS wheel spacers for the Land Rover Defender. Both these two types of wheel spacers are of good strength, toughness, hardness, and corrosion resistance. But it is noticeable that 7075 T6 wheel spacers feature a tensile strength nearly double that of 6061 T6 aluminum spacers. This alloy is one of the strongest types of aluminum available. 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers bring flush style and improved performance. As long as quality branding spacers is installed, there is no problem.
For more information about BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.